Welcome to Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Present simple. He, she. A teacher. Where does a teacher work? In a school. A teacher works. A teacher works. A teacher works in a school. A doctor. Where does a doctor work? In a hospital. A doctor works in a hospital. A pilot. Where does a pilot work? In an airport. A pilot works in an airport. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.